Good morning, everyone. I wanted to take this opportunity to introduce you to this beautiful park in Sapporo in Japan. And I love coming to this park every season, except winter, of course. But even in winter, this park is so beautifully illuminated. So I have been here in the summer, in spring, in autumn. It is fantastic. And you can see, I'll stop speaking and really let you take in this beautiful park. I call this the pastry building. The colors are so pastry-like. It's much bigger than, and I'm going to take you around and maybe send a couple of more videos. But what I wanted to show you is something so unique, is the Sakura, or the cherry blossom. So I'm going to show you very slowly the cherry blossom. This is something that is so unique, and you can just see the beauty. This beautiful cherry blossom is just about starting in Sapporo right now, and it is coming into full bloom. There are various places in Sapporo which I'll capture for Sakura, but look at the sky, the crisp sunlight and the warmth. You can feel that love and this romance in the air. It is so beautiful. I wish you guys were here, and I know during this period of COVID, the pandemic, sites like these are the things that really kind of warms your heart, heals your heart, balms your, the pains that we are having. So just look at this video, and I would love you to deeply feel what I'm trying to feel here, what I'm feeling here. I love coming to this park just to be meditative, just to ride, just to be here. Very beautiful. It's so beautiful. Let me know in the comments what you feel about this, how it's making you feel. And yesterday was Earth Day, so even more important is to understand how much we on Earth as human beings kind of need to spend more time with nature, and remember that we are part of nature, and very much a part of this world, and not someone, or a race that needs to be over and above it.